In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make a chart here in Canva. Now, Canva makes this incredibly easy to actually do, and they have a whole different variety of charts that you can use. Now, to find these, we want to come up to here where it says Elements. Now, if we scroll all the way down, they have this chart section. Now, if we click on See All, we have all of these different types of charts that we can create. They have bar charts, line and dot charts, interactive charts, pie charts, infographic charts, and other charts as well. Now, if we click on one of these and click on the See All, we see all of the different types under that category. Now, under bar charts, we have all of these. Now, to use one of these, all that you want to do is click on there. Then we have this edit option. This is where we can change the item name down here and all of these different settings. So if we click on one of these, we can change the name to anything that we want. Then if we click enter, it's going to put it on the chart. They also have more settings just here where we can show legend, show labels, and show grid lines. Now, if we go back to data just here, it's going to be the same on most of these different types of charts. So in fact, if we go back and we choose a different one, let's choose a pie chart, we can then change this as well with the item names and all of the series, and we also have more settings again if we click the settings tab. We can change percentages and numbers as well, as you can see just here. So every single type of chart is going to be a little bit different in the settings tab. Now you can also play around with the colours as well and completely change them up here, as we can see, to any colour that you like. Now this is one way that you can actually go around creating charts here in Canva. There is also another way as well. So where you want to go to is canva.com/graphs. Now I will link this down in the description as well. Now on this page we can see that we can actually create graphs and charts relatively easy. Now this is going to be a better way to create them as well, because you can use these as templates to build upon. So let's go ahead and name this graph. Let's put something like Insights. Now we can click Create Graph, and then we have all of these different options. We can create a bar graph, comparison chart, donut chart, pie charts, T-charts, tables, and so many more. If we click on one of these, we then have lots of different options depending on what you choose. So for this example, we chose a pie chart. Now we have all of these different templates that we can use and customize to our liking. If we click on one of these, it's then going to open up in a brand new tab like this. Then if we click on the pie chart, we can go into edit and then change all of the settings. Now if we go back over to here, let's go back one. Let's choose a different one. Let's go with a donut chart. And as you can see, we have all of these different templates. So again, let's go back one more. Let's choose a table. We can click on one of these. Then again, it's going to open up in a new tab, and you can change absolutely everything. So that's how to make a chart here in Canva. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.